Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the Ghost Zone Express video. I'm here at Strathfield. What we don't have here on the weekend is a case set. I don't know what set it is, but pretty weird we have a case set at Strathfield on the weekend. And also here we have an have a SSR Locomotives, SSR G514. It's towing some coal, I think, or these trucks for the railway. These trucks right here. Something, I don't know. Platforms 3 and 2 are closed for truck work. Due to truck work this weekend on the T9 Northern Line train. On the T9 Northern Line, passengers are advised to catch a bus to Hornsby and change for Newcastle interchange service from Hornsby to Newcastle. And also passengers are advised to catch a train to Blacktown to go to the Blue Mountains for Blue Mountains Line services. Anyway, K-Set, it's good to see you at Strathfield. I don't know what set it is, but I think it's blocking the pathway to platform 2, so no trains use that platform. So, gonna walk around. So we have a train on platform number 4 doing a there's a city cycle by the town hall service on platform number 4.
This is the new spot.
The name for this locomotive is Graham Cutterwall. I don't know what set the case set is, so I'll just go a bit further. Oh yeah, man. Bang. There. So we're just possibly video on here and yeah. And we have a water while we're into platform number 4. The circle service. $8.20 is a set. I'll also do some train spotting here for you guys, so let's just put that in one. That's a city circle service right at Town Hall. The first stop will be Town Hall, of course, I think. No, the first stop will be Redfern Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circle Quay, St James, CM, and Central. Forward to what goes on there. And also on platform 5 is also closed. Platform 5 and platform 5 is the platform that oh shit. Okay, we have a case at departing platform number 2. Case on platform number 2, K77 and K74. K74. So the case is actually going back to Auburn.
Please stand behind the yellow line. Please stand clear.
And this train is just sitting here until night. We have our Olympic Park service arriving into platform number 6. Set is 8:21. Platform 6 is where the Tangawa and the Oscar met. They are almost about to kiss, but so make sure you watch Phil's video. Type in Oscar and shit. We have a water in the distance. I don't know what's set, but this could be. It's A60. A60 is a successful set. A60 into about 5? 7, yes, 7. Fucking 7. Okay. 8:21. Departing platform 6. Koi Olympic Park only service. Good track work this weekend. Trains are not running on the P9 Northern line and the Central Coast and Newcastle line. So the train from Hornsby will go to Olympic Park instead of back to Hornsby, like the loop, P9 Northern line. It will instead run the T7 Olympic Park line. So we have a A60 departing platform 7. I will spend on platform. I think I'll spend here. Just a minute to the next train. No, actually, okay. Next train one just stopped because there's a red light up ahead. This looks very new.
So we've got our SSR here. Most of that set cost of SRS, got SSR just stole it. Oh yeah, but I do like the brace stands.
I like the sound of this SSR locomotive.
Yes.
Noise, guys. Ah, yes. This SSR locomotive or any of the SSR locomotives used to hold the new intercity fleet. So yeah, it's actually pretty good. West side, that was a case on platform 2. So. On platform number 4 we have a Winfield service, about 2 meters. We have a Tango on platform 6. I think the set I don't know what set it could be. Yeah. A65 was that set that just pulled in. That is departing for a B37 over there. Hombushel Lippington service. Okay, we have a race on. Okay. T51. And T57. And that B37 just scored. We have A65 going to Central. Winfield service. Alright guys, I'm gonna head on over to platforms 8 and 7. SSR. It's shortened for 7th Short Haul Railroad. We have A72. We have A72 departing platform 4. We have this SSR locomotive. mate. That was a good horn. I'll just be showing to some out. We are B41.
Like these sets.
Ah, yeah.
I love these sets.
Oh, me too. What's your channel?
I don't have a YouTube channel.
Oh, I do.
We want a YouTube channel, but I don't have one.
What's your name?
James.
Oh, nice to meet
I'm
you.
waiting for I'm waiting for the metro to open.
Yeah, I really want that metro to open, but the National Rail Safety Regulator keeps pushing it back.
Oh.
Plus,
And also the manual on these is still waiting for that
yeah,
service.
waiting for that. Anyway, guys, subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell. And of course, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out, everybody, and goodbye for now.